So hello everyone, my name is Sachin Kashyap and welcome to my channel Roman Classes. So today I'm going to start a new series, that is how to speak English effortlessly. So in this series I will be teaching you certain things that will help you to learn to speak English effortlessly. Okay, so today is the introductory class. So in this class I will be telling you certain things that you need to keep in your mind that will help you to learn English. Okay, so from here I will reduce my pace and I will speak slowly so that you can get me easily. To get means to understand. Okay, I will be telling you the meaning of the phrase or words that I think that you need to know. Okay, in between the conversation. Okay, so the first thing that you need to know that if you want to learn this language, you need to behave like a child. You might be, yes, you heard it right, you need to behave like a child. You might be wondering what this person is telling. See, let me prove my point here. Have you ever seen a child learning a language? If you have seen a child, you must have noticed certain steps in which a child learns a language. First, the child starts speaking small words like mama, baba, chacha, nana, right? Then he moved to complex words. Then he started pronouncing complex words. After that, he started framing sentences without taking care of grammar rules. Okay, and after that he start taking care of grammar rules in next step. But for learning grammar, he does not consult any book or any teacher. He just observe his surrounding. He just listen to people. Okay, and listening help him to get rid of grammar errors. Okay, and after that he work on his pronunciation. So this is the process more or less in every child. Now there is a new word, that is more or less. More or less means almost. Okay, so and throughout this process, one thing that you need to know that the child do not feel any kind of shame while speaking this language. Okay, so just like a child, you do not need to feel shame. Okay, you need to become what? Shameless. If you become shameless, that will be proven to be a great tool in helping you to learn this language. Okay, and you must be wondering, how can you believe me? Means me. Okay, so for that it is right that you need to know a little about me. Okay, so that for believing me whatever I am saying. See, my name is Sachin Kashyap and I am from a small village in Motihari, and that is situated in the state that is Bihar. Okay, so I don't think I need to tell you further about my struggles of learning this language. You must have understood it by your own self. Okay, so let me tell you a story so that it for motivating you. Let me tell you a story for motivating you. I'm speaking slowly so that you can get me. Okay, so up to graduation I did all my studies in Bihar, and after that I moved to Delhi for my further studies. So in Delhi, you must if you are in college or if you have gone to college, you must know that the first day in college is orientation class. In that orientation class you get to know about your college, your teachers and things that you are going to do. Okay, certain things you get to know there. So on the first day, means in the orientation class, I get to listen to my teachers and my classmates. They were speaking English flawlessly, fluently. It mesmerized me, and on the other hand I was quite surprised, fearful that I have to spend 2 years with these gems. Here you need to know one thing, that intelligence has nothing to do with speaking a language, means speaking English. If somebody is speaking English fluently, it does not mean that he or she is intelligent too. Okay, it has nothing to do with intelligence. But like you and like others, I was also in that misconception that if they are speaking English so flawlessly, it means they are learned persons. They are more intelligent than me. Okay, but as time progresses and as time progressed, in couple of weeks I get to know that they all are in the same boat as I was. In the same boat means in the same situation. Okay, and I can recollect that after one or after couple of months I decided that whatever it cost, I have to learn this language. So it took a lot of time, but in the process there were three of my friends, and three, yes, I can yes, three, there were three of my friends in that college who helped me a lot to learn this language. Whenever I make pronunciation mistakes, they help me. Okay, they help me a lot in the process. But nobody is going to help you unless you have decided, you made up your mind that you have to learn this language. Okay, so I become shameless. Okay, I thought, because I'm a very reflective person, I reflect upon things. Okay, reflect means to think about things. In a layman language, reflect means to think about certain things that happens in your life. That is reflecting. So I am a reflective practitioner, so I reflect upon things. What are the things that I need to do to learn this language? So one thing that I get to understand, that I need to become shameless. If I do not hesitate to speak this language, I can learn it. So I did that, and you need to know that there were 50 students in my class, and among them there were 47 students who were female and 3 students were male, right? So you must have understood my struggles. Okay, how much I had to fight with myself, because I am quite an introvert person too, right? So I have traveled a long way. So whatever I am telling you, you need to understand that whatever I am telling you, it's all based on my own experience. I am not telling you anything which I have not experienced. Okay, so you can believe me. Okay, that I can help you to learn this language. Okay, so I traveled a lot and still a long way to go. So I thought, why not let others join me in this journey, so that we can make this journey interesting. So somehow, if you manage to get this video on YouTube, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon, so that next time if I post the video, it reaches you. Okay, and the connection between us keeps on. Okay, so if you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends who are eager to learn English. So till then, thank you, Jai Hind. We will meet in a new video very soon.